McBride spoke with those who live where those tornadoes came down yesterday and joins us now with more. Landon?
When those tornadoes started to form and then come down yesterday, many people were lucky with the amount of damage that was done or not done to their property. And as those tornadoes tore through that area, people like Brooke Beckett took shelter in their storm shelters and waited for those storms to pass. She had just purchased and had that storm shelter installed about a month ago. And because she could see that tornado come down, she was able to get into the shelter with her kids and dogs.
I really like the shelter. I feel safe in it. It's secure. It's easy to use. We hadn't practiced any drills, which I highly recommend. Practice is awesome. So we were on a learning curve yesterday, but we still had time to have that learning curve, but you don't always have that time.
She had no real damage done to her property and says getting her family into the shelter went so well because they discussed what to do during tornadoes with them often and because of the drills the kids do at school. And coming up at 6, we will hear more from Beckett and from someone who lost a building and equipment in that storm.
What a peace of mind they must have having that. That's wonderful. Okay, Landon, thanks.